If you are looking for a business credit card that pull Experian only, and we're speaking about a FICO score that starts at 560, 550, 560, here's a review I want you to pay attention to. Number 7, we have TD Business Solutions. Our score, 8.5 over 10. So what we love about TD Bank is that they actually will pull Experian. And what we also love is that this is a card that allows you to do a lot of things. In other words, you can earn $250 cash back after spending $1,500 in the first 90 days. And you have 2% cash back on all eligible purchases. So this is really good. And here is a card that actually allows you to do a lot of things. So when you think about TD Business Solutions card, think about business owners who like earning cash back on their business expenses. And so this TD card has a decent earning rates in common business spending categories. So we are speaking about internet, for example. You have phone, you have cable services, you have dining, you have gas stations. So this is kind of cool. So if you spend often in those categories, you will love this business credit card. And now if you are looking to transfer existing credit card debt over and paid off over time, you'll need to find another business credit card because there are no introductory APR offers for balance transfers or purchases with this TD Business Solutions card. And due to one thing we have also seen is that due to the foreign transaction fee, frequent business travelers might be better off with a different business credit card, okay? Or if you just, let's say you shop sometimes on foreign websites, you might want to restrain yourself from doing that if you were to go after the TD Business Solutions card, okay? And so although one thing I also want to say is that although the TD Business Solutions card does offer decent cashback rewards, it's lacking the travel perks you will find with other credit cards such as lounge access, priority boarding, waived baggage fees, and more. So it is what it is. So it is a decent card. I mean, it's a decent card. And so one thing I want to say here is that you are earning, if you are a new card member, you can earn $250 cash back after spending $1,500. Okay, it is what it is. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know. So that's the first card I want to share with you. So by the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here to have a quick convo with you about the business credit cards that pull Experian for high approval. Number 6, we have Wells Fargo Business Platinum. Our score, 8.8 over 10. So when you think about Wells Fargo Business Platinum, I want you to think about a quintessential business credit card that actually will pull Experian only. What we love about Wells Fargo is that you have a constellation of rewards here. Let me break it down for you. First of all, you have you are able to choose your rewards. You can choose either cashback or rewards points. And the cashback option, you can earn 1.5% cashback on every dollar spent. For the reward option, you can earn up to 1.5% X. And what I want to say is that there is a welcome bonus of 30,000 points. So when you think about the Wells Fargo Business Platinum, think about a card that is great for everyday rewards. By the way, Wells Fargo is currently going through a revamp of its business credit card, so expect even better things in the future. But right now, let's just talk about the Wells Fargo Business Platinum. You can still get this card anyway, not a problem at all. And so you have a welcome bonus of 30,000 points. And so there's no annual fee. We love this a lot. The regular APR oscillates from 16% to 26% variable. And this is kind of cool. So just think about this card as a solid everyday rewards card for small businesses, especially those in need of multiple employee cards. And the 1.5% cashback option is a great offer in our view. And the rewards points option, not so much. Okay. And so it is what it is. So let me quickly go through the pros and cons here. So the pros, you can choose your adventure rewards. You can actually customize things there. There is an intro offer on purchases and balance transfers. There is no annual fee. So this is for the pros. What about the cons here? Well, the rewards structure can be complicated to optimize and set up in the first place. And there are a few major extra benefits. That's what we've seen. So the bottom line here is that when you think about this card, think about a card that allows you to have either the cashback option or the rewards points option. Anyway, it's still worth it. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about business credit cards that pull Experian only with a FICO score of 560 minimum. Number 5, we have City Business Advantage Platinum Select. Our score 9/10. When you think about a card like this, I want you to think about a card that is great for airline rewards. Okay, of course the card will pull Experian, but it's also great for airline rewards. So if you're interested in that, you want to think about the City Business Advantage Platinum Select, and you have up to 2x rewards right here. In other words, you earn 2x miles for every dollar spent on cable and satellite providers and on select telecommunications merchants. This is kind of cool. And you can earn 2x miles as well. And so there is a welcome bonus with this card, 65,000 bonus miles. And this card carries a $99 annual fee. But the good thing is the first year, CD will actually, as a favor to you, as a new business, as a new customer favor to you, will waive that fee. Okay. But in subsequent years, you have to pay $99 every single year. So the APR here is kind of decent, 21.24% to 29.99%. And it is what it is. It's good. So this card is actually great. I mean, for all intents and purposes, it's great for small businesses who travel frequently on American Airlines. So you gotta be, if you are in AA ecosystem, American Airlines ecosystem, you will love this card because it has a lot of perks that come with this card. Okay, so what are the pros and cons here? Pros: excellent travel perks with American Airlines. You have a large network of partner airlines via One World Alliance. The card has a no foreign transaction fee. So those are the pros. What about the cons here? Well, there is no intro APR offer. The card doesn't give access to American Airlines Admirals Club airport lounges. And, there is a $99 annual fee. I mean, even if they waive it the first year, you still have to pay it afterwards anyway. So it's important to think about it if you want to consider this card, because it's going to affect your subsequent years and also your card usage. So it's important. Number 4, we have the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. Our score 9.2/10. So if you're looking for a business credit card that pulls Experian only, think about that. PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature. Here is a card in our view that is great for earning unlimited cashback and a sign-up bonus. Okay, and so you have a 0% intro APR offer for 9 billing cycles. The regular APR is kind of decent. I mean, you're looking at something that ranges from 16% to 25%. So again, this is a decent, and there is no annual fee. So we love this a lot. So the card actually allows you to earn $250 cash bonus for spending $3,000 in the first 3 billing cycles. You have 0% APR on purchases for the first 9 billing cycles after opening an account. You can earn 1.5% cashback on all purchases, and the card has no annual fee. So this is a card that you actually will love if you are like an existing PNC or think about becoming a PNC business account holder, because actually a PNC loves it if you have a relationship with them first. Okay, and so what are the pros and cons of this card? Well, the pros first. The card doesn't charge annual fees. Okay, unlike all the other cards I've shared with you, including the City Business Advantage Platinum Select. The card does have a sign-up bonus, and the APR, the low ongoing APR on purchases and balance transfers, is something to reckon with. Why? Because when you think about it, 16.99% to 24.99%, this is really, really good, especially coming from a large bank. Okay, great. What about the cons here? Well, the card does not offer 0% introductory APR on balance transfers, and you need to have an active PNC bank account to qualify for the card. That's what I was just telling you earlier, that you need to establish a relationship with PNC to qualify for the card. But hey, listen, PNC is a great bank. It's a fantastic bank that covers a lot of geographies. I mean, they don't cover the whole United States, but they cover a lot of states. So this is really good anyway. It's worth it. Number 3, we have Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards. Our score, 9.5 over 10. Here is an interesting card that is great if you are a Bank of America loyalist. Why? Because Bank of America wants you to have a relationship with them, as PNC does, okay? Those big banks, they want you to have a relationship with them. Listen, I do not blame them. So 9.5 over 10. So the card actually allows you to earn 1.5% unlimited cashback on all purchases. This is really cool. And there is an intro offer of $300. So if you're looking for a business credit cards that pull Experian, $300 is there for you to grab. Fantastic. The APR is kind of a decent too. You are looking at 19% to 29%. But this card does apply to balanced transfers also. So this is kind of high for balanced transfers. And so overall, what we love about the card is the fact that you can earn 1.5%. This is really great. Now, you can actually increase this cashback rate if you are a Bank of America's preferred rewards account holder. This is because you can boost it by 75%. But the card overall has no spending caps, so you can cover business expenses across a range of categories, okay, and earn the same solid rewards. So this is really good. And let me quickly go through the pros and cons of this card so you have a better idea what we're speaking about. The pros. This card does not charge an annual fee, and there is a modest 0% intro APR on purchases for 9 billing cycles. After that, you have to pay 19 to 29%. But this is still decent, as I said before, really decent. So the $300 online statement credit, actually, you had to only get it after spending at least $3,000 in the first 90 days of your account opening. Okay, so you get a $300 online statement credit when you pay this, and you can choose how to redeem your cash rewards. You can choose to get it as a deposit into your Bank of America checking accounts or savings accounts, as a card statement credit, or as a check mailed to you. Go with the first one, the first option. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about business credit cards that pull Experian only for with a low credit score. So this is kind of cool. Number 2, we have Capital One Spark Miles for Business. Our score, 9.6 over 10. So if you're looking for a credit card, a business credit card that's great when it comes to no hassle business travel rewards, consider the Capital One Spark Miles for Business. We love this card a lot. Let me just break it down for you. First of all, everything happens. If you want to maximize your benefits through this card, make sure that you actually book everything through Capital One Travel Portal. Otherwise, you're not getting anything. I mean, that's just a way for Capital One to actually keep the money in the house. Okay. So, for example, you earn unlimited 5x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel their portal. And in addition to that, you have the ability to earn 2x miles unlimited per dollar on every purchase everywhere. No limits or category restrictions. And the cool thing is that miles will not expire for the life of the account. So this is really great. There is an intro offer. So if you're interested in this card, consider this intro offer of 50,000 miles. And this is really great. Now, just consider that this card, you have to pay an annual fee. This is kind of similar to the Citi Advantage Platinum Select. So they're charging you, like Citi is charging you $99. This card is charging you like $95. So $95 the first year, that's waived. But in subsequent years, you're going to have to pay that annual fee every single year. So again, as I said before, you want to account for this in your budgetary planning, because if you're not able to spend as much on the card to be able to offset the annual fee, it's not really worth it for you. And the regular APR on this card is $25.99, which is really low if you think about where Capital One business credit cards APRs have been historically speaking. So $25.99 is really good. And so The card actually, let me quickly go through the pros and cons. The card doesn't charge foreign transaction fees, and the rewards program is straightforward. It's also generous relative to its annual fee of $95 the subsequent year. So, and the only thing is there's no intro APR on purchases or balance transfers. And relative to some competitors, this card is slim on ancillary business-centric benefits, in our view at least. But if you want to earn a one-time bonus of $50,000, 50,000 miles, equal to $500 in travel, you need to spend $4,500 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. Number one, the best of the best in our view. When it comes to business credit cards that pull Experian only, we have here Inc. Business Cash. Our score 9.8 over 10. So when you think about Inc. Business Cash, obviously this is Chase Inc. Business Cash. This card is really fantastic because of the plurality of rewards that you get. You have a diversity of rewards. For example, you can earn 5% cash back on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply stores and on internet, cable, and phone services each account anniversary year. You can earn 2% cash back on the first $25,000 in combined purchases at gas stations and restaurants each account anniversary year. And you earn 1% cash back on all other card purchases with no limits to the amounts you can earn. So again, here we are speaking about a plurality of business credit rewards options, which is really great for established businesses or startups. And it doesn't matter, the size of your business doesn't matter at all. So there is an intro offer here, $750. Okay. So basically this is an intro offer that you can get. You can earn this $750 bonus cashback after you spend $6,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. And this is really good. And one thing I want to say, let me quickly go through the pros and cons of this card here. So the pros, the value of the sign-up bonus is superb. Think about it, $750, really, really nice. And in addition to that, rewards are generous, particularly for a no annual fee credit card. What about the cons here? The thing you have to be aware of is that your bonus cashback is subject to cap, and there is no intro APR on balance transfers. Okay. So, but overall, this is really cool. And one thing I want to say is that you need to understand, even though the card's maximum cashback rate only applies to the first $25,000 in each bonus category, each account anniversary year, then 1%. In our view, the sign-up bonus, redemption value, and additional perks all help make this a standout option for business owners looking for maximum value. So this is just the criterion we actually based our analysis upon. Before I do a recap of today's conversation, I want to acquaint you with our business credit card that pull Experian only evaluation approach. We have a method on this show when it comes to analyzing, categorizing, and listing those business credit cards. Please check this out. Let's quickly recap here. So number one, we have the Inc. Business Cash, our score, 9.8 over 10. Number two, we have Capital One Spark Miles for Business, our score, 9.6 over 10. Number three, we have Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards, our score, 9.5 over 10. Number four, we have PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business, our score, 9.2 over 10. Number five, we have Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select, our score, 9 over 10. Number six, we have Wells Fargo Business Platinum, our score, 8.8 over 10. And number seven, best of the best At least it's not really that bad. You have here TD Business Solutions card hour score 8.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. Really appreciate it. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.